So here at miAim we're all about music improvisation, composition, unique chord progressions and the cycle of movable keys, which is all about making circles. Today I've got Don with me and we've got a brand new toy to play with. What have you got there, Don?
Well, I was looking for a cutter, Tim, to make a cycle of movable keys with.
Right.
I found one at Spotlight and they posted it out to me, so I thought we'd pull it out and see what the job looks like.
Alright, let's do that.
Or bubble wrap, Tim. Must be precious. What have we here? That's me knob. Well, that's the pattern cutter. Right, there's instructions on the back, Tim. Reading the instructions, all you really need to know is 3 steps for perfect circles. Fold the fabric, align the template, and cut the fabric.
When using the Fiskars Circle Cutter, here's what they don't tell you on the book of instructions. Once you've folded your paper, there is a horizontal line where you put the fold. So you've got your fold and the fold goes at the horizontal line. The cutter has got 2 little lumps and a little ridge on the top surface for you to see where to put the little nodes, the lumps. They go in the gap. So when it sits in, it takes no effort to slide around. Use a cutting board. The node sits in the slot and just pushes around, no effort. Push down and it'll cut. That's how you get your circles.
So, alright, we're set up and here we go. And voila, we have a magic circle. Couldn't be rounder.